Okay, so the office just got a new guy in. I'm gonna kind of initiate him, I guess you could say. And I got this here air horn. I'm gonna fuck with him. Okay, I'm gonna scare the shit out of him. It's gonna be good. All right, here we go. Dude, what the fuck? Really? Really? This is just... You don't hear that. You don't fucking hear that. Oh, you're... You're a dick, okay? Whatever.
Oh!
Really? So you're just gonna come up and make fun of me then? What? What the fuck is wrong with you, man? I try to pull a prank on you, and this is the shit that you do! You're a fucking dick, okay? This guy's a fucking dick, man.
Dude, he's deaf.